Street art is a broad and dynamic art form created in public spaces, typically outside of traditional art venues. It encompasses a diverse range of artistic expressions, techniques, and messages, often interacting directly with the urban environment itself, far from being confined to a single style. Street art can include graffiti, stenciling, wheatpasting, murals, installations, and even performance art. Its ephemeral nature is a defining characteristic, as pieces are often exposed to the elements, painted over, or removed, making documentation and photography crucial for their preservation. What distinguishes street art is not only its public placement, but also its often unauthorized and unsanctioned nature, which historically challenged notions of private property and public space. While some street art is now commissioned or legally sanctioned, its roots lie in illicit acts of creation, intended to be seen by a mass audience without the filter of galleries or institutions. It frequently carries social, political, or personal commentary, serving as a powerful medium for communication, resistance, and beautification within the urban landscape. This accessibility and direct engagement with the public makes street art a unique and often provocative voice in contemporary visual culture. Thanks for watching.